Alright, the best proof I can give as to why my glue batteries and my same metal water batteries are not galvanic in nature is the simple fact that these glue batteries are producing AC voltage. And allow me to demonstrate. This is a galvanic cell. It has aluminum and copper electrodes. This produces DC voltage due to a chemical process of galvanic reaction. It's a long process for me to explain, but this is where the electricity is coming from. So this cell is DC. And you can see all the wires coming from it, and it produces 0 AC voltage. Yes, it does produce DC voltage. Switch over to DC, and you can see there's DC voltage coming from that cell, but no AC voltage. That's very important, because if I take this cell, get rid of this cell, and we go back over here and go back to AC setting, and I get one of these glue batteries, which is not galvanic, and I hook it up just like so. You can see that a AC power or voltage is there. Voltage, AC voltage. Unlike the galvanic cell, the galvanic cell was reading 0 volts. That's because it produces DC power. This is not galvanic. This is producing AC power. So there's another form of energy coming to these cells. Alright? This cell is AC by nature. And I didn't fully understand this, and this is what explains why some of these cells did go negative when hooked up to series, or just changing. They just go negative for no apparent reason. And this is all due thanks to Thomas Townsend Brown, who discovered that dielectric material will show a self potential, and it's AC in nature. So you can see that I'm getting AC power, unlike I was getting. So it's not galvanic, and this is the best. Definition I can give to you guys, that these glue batteries are not galvanic anymore. Okay, and just to show you, I got a battery with some magnets on it. The magnets are there so that the alligator clips can hook onto it. I'm going to show you the AC voltage of a DC battery. Oops, oh man. Alright, where'd the battery go? Okay. Alright, battery's right here. Things roll because they're cylindrical. I'll put it right here. And I will show you the voltage coming off this DC battery. So it's not AC, so it should be reading. Hey, look, it reads nothing, just like the galvanic cell. The galvanic cell was DC, so it reads nothing on the AC meter. As you can see, AC, alternating current, voltage is 0 on that battery. Here's the wires. Nothing hidden here, no trickery. And of course it's DC, so it won't read any AC power, but I switch to DC mode, and of course it reads the voltage on the AA battery. This one's obviously dead. It's not a good AA battery. So that's the best proof I can give to you guys that these glue batteries are not galvanic. They have reached the point where they're sustaining a self potential due to the dielectric material, which is glue. And water also works as a dielectric material, but it's very hard to notice it because of the different metals, and that's why it produces galvanic. But galvanic cells are not 100% galvanic. A small fraction of it is coming from that self potential, but not much. So the galvanic mostly is taken over. Galvanic's probably, I say, 98%. These water batteries are 98% galvanic. But these glue batteries are not galvanic. These are special. They're getting energy from somewhere else. I highly recommend looking up Thomas Townsend Brown and his rock battery. I've done his rock battery experiments before. I did not know I was doing his experiments. I just picked up a rock one day and tested the voltage. So it is interesting thing to note. These glue batteries are not galvanic.